Hey there, this is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel. This is my 2005 Toyota Sienna project. Today I'm going to be replacing the exterior sliding door handle. Give me a moment and I'm going to quickly show you why. Now this is the driver's side of the van, and this actually is the problematic handle. Both of them have been replaced at some point because they are black unpainted plastic. So as you can see here, it is not open. So I don't know if this is a matter of the handle not being installed correctly or if it's broken, but I'm going to show you how to remove it and we're going to take a look at it. First, you open the driver's door, and this really should work the same on both sides. The passenger side should be the mirror of the driver's side. And you know what, I'm going to open the sliding door here just using the inside handle. So here on the inside of the door there is a rubber plug you need to pry out. And let's see if I can do that by hand. Yeah, that's easy. So I'm going to click that back there. And inside there is a Torx screw. So inside there is a Torx screw. Looks to be size T30. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Once that screw is removed, you can pull out the front portion of the door handle. Then to remove the rest of the handle, you pull it out, slide it back, and pull it out of the door. And I was quickly able to determine that there's actually nothing wrong with the one I took off the vehicle. This is a replacement. So what happened was it was installed wrong, and I'm going to show you how to get this one on. But I'm going to put my brand new one on here. You can see I have it painted in the body color. So this one, once I put it on, will not only work, it's also going to look better. More or less, I think I got these off of Amazon. These are just aftermarket replacement handles, but I was also able to get the correct color paint, I think. This was Duplicolor, so I primed it, painted it, clear coated it, so this actually should look more correct on the van now. Give me a moment and I'll show you what you have to do. Okay, so the reason the handle wasn't working before is that the handle had not engaged the latch inside the door here. Now, if I've got a piece of wire looped around it, let me just pull on it. You can see this piece I'm moving here. The door handle has to grab behind that in order to be properly installed. So I found that the best way to do that is to loop a thin piece of wire in here and pull this little lever out and install the door handle. So give me a moment, I'll just get the door handle all set up here, getting the new one set in place. And actually, before I finalize that, let me just get the gasket. Let me get the exterior gasket back in place. I had taken it off just to give myself a little more visibility. So now I'm going to pull on this with the wire, insert the door handle here so it grabs, and then going to pull the wire out. So now the door handle should work. I'm going to quickly test it before I reinstall the front portion of the door handle right here. So this should be working now. I can feel it actually grabbing the interior latch. So I'm going to reinstall the cap here, which is just inserting it and then putting the screw back in, and then I'm going to test out the door handle. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm going to close the door and try to open it. And there, the door handle works from the outside now, plus it is painted and matches the body color. So if you liked that, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.